Rip and replace should never be an option. When a client implements a solution, they will spend 80% of the total cost of ownership over the life cycle of this solution on the implementation, on the people and process change that they need to make the most value of that solution. That's sunk cost, that's invested cost. They need to ensure that they get a return on that investment over time. From a brownfield perspective, lots of clients fear rip and replace. Rip and replace is where we have to come in and take out an existing solution and replace it with a newer solution. It's painful and it always demonstrates that there was a poor decision made in the past, which is always a problem within the organization. We have to figure out how we can implement and integrate into the existing solution environment and augment the investments that have already been made. A good brownfield example is an enterprise looking at a new building management solution. Now, there's usually in place a legacy building management solution at an individual operation somewhere. And what we need to do is then understand how our enterprise solution fits and leverages the existing solution to optimize enterprise value. So one of the great strengths of EcoStruxure is our ability to blend in the maturity curve with existing client solutions. So where we've got legacy brownfield applications, where we've got a building management solution, for instance, in a particular location, which is adding some value, and the client wishes to maintain that solution as it stands, we can layer on top our building management solution to look at the solution from an enterprise perspective and add value at the enterprise level, without going through the pain of rip and replace at that individual site.